Please do your best. Hello everyone, very good afternoon. First of all, I would like to say many thanks to our university authority and our respective teachers who have given the opportunity to deliver an English speech in front of you all. Dear friends and my respected audience, today the topic of my speech is how to face the globalization era. As we all know, nowadays our world is in the globalization area. We often hear it. At first, I want to ask a question to all. What is globalization? Okay, I will describe it. Globalization is the process of transformation of local or regional phenomena into global or international phenomena. This process is a combination of economic, technological, socio-cultural, and political forces. In other words, every country in this world can influence other countries. Because of globalization, this world consists of many countries, is like a global village. This term refers to the fact that people are considered to live in this planet without any border, without limitation. If I say an example, my birthplace is Bangladesh. Why today I am here? The simple answer, it has been possible to globalization. Furthermore, people are able to access any kinds of information very easily according to globalization. If we want to know now what is happening in the USA, we can easily get information or news through the internet or mass media. Actually, there is no difficulty to communicate. There is no one to blame when interacting with other people from all over the world. Dear friends and my respective audience, globalization has various aspects which affect the world, such as in industry, finance, economy, politics, and socio-cultural. If any country wants to survive in this globalization era, they must be smart. We should take all of the positive effects of globalization, but we should not take the negative effects of globalization. It is fact that there are many challenges in globalization area. If I say another example, if we want to implement 17 goals and 169 targets of sustainable development goals by 2030, we have lots of things to do. And we have to face lots of challenges. And we have to face, there are many kinds of obstacles and barriers. But since our world is a global village, we have to face it. We have to work it together. It cannot be denied that globalization is related with competition and ability to survive. Overall, we have to try to our level best. How can we make our globe more friendly? Finally, I want to ask a question to all of my friends and my audience. Now and in the future, what should we do? And what's our responsibility individually to face the globalization area, and how can we make our world more friendly? I just want to express my opinion. My opinion is, if every nation is responsible and follow, if every nation responsible for implement the globalization, I think we will be able to make our work more friendly, and we will be able to live a livable world to our future generation. That's all for the time being. Thank you very much to giving me your time.